pickup truck market has never been more competitive. Automakers are pushing the limits of power, efficiency, and technology, promising buyers stronger towing, better fuel economy, and long-term durability. But behind the marketing hype, not every engine lives up to expectations. Some engines look great on paper, but reveal serious weaknesses over time. Whether it's reliability concerns, costly maintenance, or outdated design choices that simply can't keep up with modern demands. If you're planning to buy a truck in today's market, knowing which engines to avoid can save you thousands of dollars and years of frustration. This guide breaks down 3 truck engines that experts and experienced owners increasingly warn against. These aren't necessarily bad engines in every situation, but they come with enough red flags that you should think twice before signing the paperwork. 1. General Motors 5.3-liter V8 active fuel management issues. At first glance, the 5.3-liter V8 from GM seems like a safe bet. It's been around for years, used in popular trucks like the Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra. It offers solid horsepower, respectable towing capability, and a reputation built over decades. But the modern version of this engine is not the same as the bulletproof small block V8s of the past. The problem: active fuel management, AFM. To improve fuel economy, GM introduced active fuel management, and later dynamic fuel management. This system shuts down half of the engine's cylinders under light load conditions. On paper, it's a smart idea. In reality, it's been a major source of headaches. Experts point to several recurring issues: lifter failures, excessive oil consumption, engine misfires, premature wear on valve train components. When lifters fail, and they often do, it can lead to catastrophic engine damage. Repairs are expensive, sometimes requiring partial or full engine rebuilds. Why it matters now? The issue isn't just occasional failure, it's the frequency. Mechanics across North America and beyond report a steady stream of trucks with AFM-related problems, especially as mileage climbs past 100,000 kilometers. What makes this worse is that many buyers assume they're getting a proven engine, not realizing how much the newer technology has changed its reliability profile. Expert Insight automotive engineers often highlight that cylinder deactivation systems like AFM introduce additional complexity into what was once a simple, robust design. The more moving parts and electronic controls you add, the more potential failure points you create. Bottom line: the 5.3-liter V8 isn't completely unreliable, but it's no longer the safe choice it once was. If you're considering a GM truck, many experts recommend looking for models without AFM, older generations, considering the 6.2-liter V8 instead, or switching to a different powertrain entirely. 2. Ford Motor Company 3.5-liter EcoBoost. Early reliability concerns. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine was revolutionary when it debuted. It brought turbocharged performance to the mainstream truck segment, delivering V8-like power with better fuel efficiency. Found in the Ford F-150, it quickly became one of the most popular engines in the lineup. But early versions of this engine, and even some later ones, have raised concerns among long-term owners. The problem: complexity and carbon buildup. Turbocharged engines are inherently more complex than naturally aspirated ones. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost adds twin turbochargers, direct injection, advanced cooling systems. All of this increases performance, but also increases the risk of problems. The most commonly reported issues include timing chain stretch, carbon buildup on intake valves, turbocharger wear, condensation issues in intercoolers, especially in humid climates. Carbon buildup is a particularly frustrating issue because it's a byproduct of direct injection technology. Over time, it reduces performance and efficiency, and cleaning it requires specialized service. Real-world ownership concerns. While newer versions of the EcoBoost have improved, many used trucks on the market still carry earlier iterations of this engine. That means buyers looking for a good deal on a used truck may unknowingly inherit expensive maintenance bills, reduced reliability, performance degradation. Expert Insight powertrain specialists often warn that turbocharged engines demand stricter maintenance discipline. Skipping oil changes or using low-quality fuel can accelerate wear significantly. Unlike older V8 engines that could tolerate some neglect, modern turbo engines require consistent care, when it's still a good choice. To be fair, not all EcoBoost engines are problematic. Later models have addressed many early issues. But if you're buying used or planning to keep your truck long-term, you need to factor in higher maintenance costs, greater mechanical complexity, potential long-term reliability trade-offs. Bottom line, the 3.5-liter EcoBoost isn't a bad engine, but it's not the low-maintenance powerhouse many buyers expect. If reliability and simplicity are your top priorities, this may not be the best choice. Number 3. Ram Truck's 5.7-liter Hemi V8, ticking and aging design. The 5.7-liter Hemi V8 is one of the most recognizable engines in the truck world. Known for its strong performance and signature exhaust note, it powers trucks like the Ram 1500. But despite its popularity, this engine is starting to show its age and its weaknesses. The problem: the Hemi tick. One of the most widely discussed issues with this engine is the so-called Hemi tick. This ticking noise can come from several sources: exhaust manifold leaks, worn lifters, camshaft wear. In some cases, the issue is relatively minor. In others, it signals serious internal damage. The uncertainty is what makes it frustrating for owners. Additional concerns. Beyond the ticking issue, experts point to fuel economy that lags behind modern competitors, aging design compared to newer turbocharged engines, higher emissions output. While the engine still delivers solid power, it doesn't match the efficiency or technological advancement of newer powertrains. Why this matters in 2026 and beyond. The truck market is shifting rapidly toward turbocharged engines, hybrid systems, fully electric powertrains. The 5.7-liter Hemi, while iconic, is increasingly out of step with these trends. That means lower resale value over time, higher running costs, reduced future relevance. Expert insight. Industry analysts often describe the Hemi as a legacy engine, one that continues to sell based on reputation rather than innovation. As emissions regulations tighten globally, engines like this will become harder to justify in new vehicles. Bottom line, the Hemi V8 still has its fans, but it's no longer the forward-thinking choice. If you're buying a truck today with long-term ownership in mind, there are more modern and efficient options available. The bigger picture. Why these engines are falling behind. It's important to understand that these engines aren't being criticized in isolation. They're being evaluated in the context of a rapidly evolving industry. Modern trucks are no longer just about raw power. Today's buyers expect reliability over 200,000 plus kilometers, lower maintenance costs, better fuel efficiency, advanced technology integration. Engines that fail to meet these expectations, even if they were great in the past, are quickly becoming outdated. The shift toward new technology. Automakers are investing heavily in hybrid powertrains, smaller turbocharged engines, electric trucks. For example, Toyota is pushing hybrid systems like iForce Max. Ford Motor Company continues expanding EcoBoost and hybrid options. General Motors is investing in EV platforms like Ultium. This shift is changing what good looks like in a truck engine. What you should buy instead. Avoiding these engines doesn't mean avoiding trucks altogether. In fact, there are several excellent alternatives depending on your priorities. If you want reliability, look for naturally aspirated engines with simpler designs, proven platforms with fewer known issues. Examples include Toyota's V6 engines in trucks like the Toyota Tacoma, updated non-AFM V8 configurations where available. If you want performance, modern turbo engines can still be a great choice if you stick to newer generations, follow strict maintenance schedules. If you want future-proofing, consider hybrid trucks. Emerging electric pickups. These options may offer lower operating costs, better long-term value, compliance with future regulations. Final thoughts. Buying a truck is a major investment, and the engine you choose will define your ownership experience. The truth is, some of the most popular engines on the market today come with hidden downsides that only become obvious after years of use. The General Motors 5.3-liter V8, Ford Motor Company 3.5-liter EcoBoost, and Ram Trucks 5.7-liter Hemi all have strengths, but they also carry risks that buyers can't afford to ignore. This doesn't mean you should avoid these trucks entirely, but it does mean you should. Research specific model years carefully. Understand the common issues. Budget for potential maintenance costs. In today's fast-changing automotive landscape, being informed is more important than ever, because when it comes to truck engines, what you don't know can cost you big time.